Hello guys, in this lecture we will discuss that in a game how we can find that your player is in front or behind of enemy. If you have ever played Minecraft, you will have noticed that the nasty creepers tend to sneak up on you when you face in another direction. But creepers are not smart, so how can they figure it out if you are looking in another direction? Do you know that? The answer is math. So they are actually smarter than most people. To solve this problem, we are going to use the dot product. Let's take a look at the Wikipedia description. The dot product or scalar product is an algebraic operation that takes two equal length sequences of numbers and returns a single number. What does it mean? So I will explain it in a simple words and with the help of formula. I have downloaded it. The dot product is the sum of x's from two vectors multiplied by each other. You can see the x value of first vector and the second value or x value of second vector, then the y value of first vector and the y value of second vector. These two values will be multiplied and after that and will be added, and we will get the dot product of two vectors. The basic idea is that we have two vectors, one going from you to enemy and the second in which direction you are facing. Now we are just going to figure out if these vectors are pointing in the same direction or not. Let's go to Unity. I have created these two players. First one is player, the second one is enemy. I have downloaded it from Asset Store. I have created this empty script to transform. The first is player transform. The second one is enemy transform. First of all, we have to find out in which direction player is facing. So let's go. I will create vector 3 player forward. Okay, and player transform dot forward. Now I have got the player forward, means the in which direction player are facing, and the second one is enemy transform from player. So let's figure it out. Vector 3 player to enemy. How we can find it out? Enemy transform minus position minus player transform dot position. Okay, we have got these two values. Now it's easy to find out which one is in front and which is behind. So let's go. The first of all, I will find it with the help of built-in function, Unity built-in function, which is vector 3 dot. It will take two values. The first one is player forward, the second one is player to enemy. Okay, and now I will save it because it will return a float. I will save it here dot pro. Okay, now I will compare it. If dot pro is greater than and equal to 0, then print front, enemy is in front of player. Okay, else print enemy is behind. Okay, with the help of Unity built-in function, and now I will create here executable, execute in edit mode. There is no need to check in play mode. So let's go and see. I will drag my script here, the player, and the second one is enemy. Now let's check it out. Where is the, you can see enemy is front of player. If I will drag my player here, now you can see enemy is behind of player. So that's the basic idea of dot product. And the second way, which is most preferable and to clean up your code, is public float dot pro I will create it with the help of the formula. I will comment it out. The formula of dot product is this one, ax bx plus ay by. So let's see what does it mean. Vector 3 player trans, and the second one is again vector 3 enemy trans. Return the x value of player multiply by x value of enemy. Now plus now you can call it here. Both ways are same, but this is a little bit clean way. So let's check it out. You can see now if I will drag it, the enemy is behind of player. Now this one is front of player. So this is a basic idea of dot product. When you will practice it, you will get more about it. There are a lot of applications in which you can use the dot product. So this was the basic idea, and I hope I have explained it clearly. So goodbye for now.